Hi, in this question it is given that A runs 1 2 by 3, that's a mixed fraction, times as fast as B. If A gives B a start of 100 meters, how far must the winning post be so that the race ends in a dead heat? So dead heat means both the runners reach the finishing point at the same time. So let us calculate the ratio of the speeds between A and B. It is given that A runs 1 2 by 3 times faster. So if B's speed is 1 unit and A's speed will be 1 2 by 3. So let us make this as a proper fraction. So this is 5 by 3 and 1. So let us multiply on the both sides by 3. Therefore, we will get the speeds ratio between A and B is 5:3. So that is the first part. Now, what we need to calculate, A also giving a start of 80 meters to B. So that means after B covers 80 meters, A starts his race. But we want this race ends in a dead heat, right? So both must reach the finishing line at the same time. So let us say the winning post B X meters away from where B starts. Okay. Now, how much distance A has to cover now? 80 plus X, right? This is the total distance A has to cover. How much distance B has to cover? B has to cover only X meters. Now, both should take the same time, right? Both should reach the finishing line at the same time means both should take the same time. That means when the distance divided by speed if you make, both should get the same times. So let us divide these distances by the respective speeds. So speeds are in the ratio 5:3. So if you divide these distances by their speeds, you will get times and both must be the same. So let us cross multiply this. So 240 plus 3x equal to 5x. So 240 equal to 2x. Therefore, x equal to how much? 120. So if x equal to 120, how far must be the finishing line from the starting point? 120 plus 80. So 120 plus 80 will give you 200 meters. So if you keep the finishing line 200 meters away, that means if the race is for 200 meters, in the case where A gives B a start of 80 meters, then A's and B's speeds are 5:3, then the race ends in a dead heat. That means both the runners reach the finishing line at the same time.